BMW owners, if you're encountering fault code 801C20 on your dashboard, this video will help you understand what it means and how to fix it. This fault code points to an issue with the Intelligent Battery Sensor, or IBS, which is vital for monitoring your vehicle's battery health and managing its electrical systems. Understanding the fault code 801C20, generally indicates a communication problem between the IBS and the vehicle's electronic control unit, or ECU. This communication is crucial because the IBS provides real-time data on battery voltage, current, and temperature, helping the car manage power distribution efficiently. When this communication is disrupted, it can lead to various electrical issues, from starting problems to unexpected battery drains. Step-by-step troubleshooting. Let's start with the basics. First, locate the IBS, which is usually attached to the negative terminal of your car's battery. Carefully inspect the connection. Is it secure? Are there any signs of corrosion or damage? Corrosion can interrupt the signal, causing the fault code to appear. If the connection looks good, the next step is to check the wiring harness connected to the IBS. Look for any frayed or damaged wires, as these could be causing the communication failure. If you find any damage, repairing or replacing the wiring may resolve the issue. Voltage and sensor testing. Next, you'll want to test the voltage output from the IBS using a multimeter. Set your multimeter to measure DC voltage and connect it to the appropriate terminals on the battery. Compare the readings with the expected voltage for your battery type, usually around 12.6 volts for a fully charged battery when the engine is off. If the readings are inconsistent or far off, this might indicate a failing IBS sensor. In some cases, the issue might not be with the IBS itself, but with the car's software. BMW vehicles are known for having complex electronic systems, and sometimes a software glitch can trigger fault codes. If your IBS and wiring appear to be in good condition, a software update or reset might clear the fault code. Preventive measures and tips. To prevent future issues, regularly inspect your battery connections for corrosion and ensure they are tight. Also, avoid exposing the battery to extreme temperatures, as this can affect the IBS's performance. Regularly charging your battery, especially if you don't drive long distances often, can also help maintain its health and prevent issues with the IBS. If, after all these steps, the fault code 801C20 persists, it might be time to replace the IBS. While replacing it yourself is possible, it's a more advanced repair that might require coding the new sensor to the vehicle's ECU. For this, I recommend visiting a certified BMW technician who can ensure the replacement is done correctly. By understanding and addressing fault code 801C20, you can avoid potential electrical issues and keep your BMW running smoothly. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to fault codes are key to ensuring the longevity of your vehicle's electrical systems. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying informed is the best way to keep your car in top condition.